In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a voting button or option to Outlook emails. If you're using the classic version of Outlook, this guide is perfect for you as it's tailored specifically for that setup. So let's dive right in. Firstly, make sure you're in classic Outlook because this option is exclusive to that version. Once you're there, head over to the top left corner of your screen. This is where we'll start creating a new email. Click on New Mail to open a fresh email draft ready for your message. Now that you've got your new email draft ready, let's focus on setting up those voting buttons. Navigate over to the Options tab at the top of your email window. At the Options tab is where all the customization magic happens. Here, you'll find the Use Voting Buttons option. This is the feature we'll be using to add those nifty voting buttons to your email. Once you click on Use Voting Buttons, you'll find that Outlook provides some existing voting templates. However, if you prefer to tailor the options specifically for your needs, you can create your own custom voting options. To do this, you'll click to access the custom settings where you can type in your desired voting options. Remember, you should separate each voting item with a semicolon. This helps Outlook recognize them as distinct options. After you've crafted your voting options to suit your needs, click Close to save your choices and exit the customization window. It's important to ensure everything is as you'd like it before moving on, because you'll soon be sending this out to your recipients. Now, you'll want to revisit the Use Voting Buttons drop-down menu. This is found in the same place within the Options tab. From this menu, you should now see the voting template you just created. Select your custom template and voila, it's now part of your email. You're almost done. The final step is to compose the rest of your email just as you normally would. Add any additional information, attach files if needed, and make sure everything is clear and ready for your recipients. Once you've checked it all over and you're happy with how it looks, it's time to send your email. So there you have it. Your Outlook email now features custom voting buttons that will make group decision making a breeze. With these steps, you can ensure your emails are not only informative but interactive, adding a whole new level of engagement. I hope you find this feature as useful as I have. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.